GATE 2024 question 11. Detailed solutions, of course, is given in this website. The first non-zero term in the Taylor series expansion. So this is my effect. And the Taylor series expansion, we all know, is given by here, and the references are given in the detailed solution. So this is my Taylor series expansion around x0. So when we are trying to make an expansion around x is equal to 0, in that case x0 will be equal to 0. So this one is reduced to this function right here. Fx is equal to f0. This is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Factorial 1 is equal to 1. And f that's the first derivative of x. And this one again is 0. So this is x squared by factorial 2, which is of course equal to 2. And this is the second derivative, which is of course, we can write this one as d to fx over dx squared. That of course is equal to d by dx of f dash x. That's the derivative of the first derivative. Okay. And so on and so forth. So we have to find out the first non-zero term. So we have to check each term one by one. The first term, of course, is equal to 1. So we put x is equal to 0 in this function. And that, of course, is equal to 0 because this is 0 and this is equal to 1 minus 1. That's equal to 0. So first term is 0. Second term is x multiplied by the first derivative at this is equal to 0. This is 0, f0. And this is 0. So second term, of course, it's going to be f dash 0, which is the derivative of the function at x, the numerical value at x is equal to 0. We take the derivative of this function right here, which of course is equal to 0. You can do it easily. And so we see both the first term and the second term reduced to 0. Let's look at the third term, which is the second derivative of the function. And the second derivative of the function, of course, is the first derivative of the first derivative of the derivative of the first derivative of the function. So we are going to take the derivative of this one right here. And if you do that, you get this one equal to -1. Again, details shown here. So we can see the very first non-zero term, because this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0. So this term does not vanish. So this term vanishes to 0. This term vanishes to 0. But this is the non-zero, first non-zero term. And since factorial 2 is 2, so and this is -1, so the value is going to be equal to negative of x squared by 2, which is d. So this is the correct option.